Alright, y'all, so I hope you enjoyed that last video. We're just chilling right now at the park, waiting for TJ to pull up. We'll see where we're do. We probably won't really drift tonight, but it's just kind of a chill night. So, alright, so TJ pulled up, yo. He's out here, man.
Yo, what's up, DriftTweakers?
Alright, so we got TJ out here. He pulled up.
No, listen. You gotta put it on the mango. So listen, hold up a second. Let me tell the viewers what's going on. Hold on a second. So we got the special ingredient, you know what I'm saying? This is what, man? Tell them what this is.
Mango Italian ice. How's that?
Tastes like mango Italian ice.
What did those say?
What's up, buddy? Nah, bro. What did you say though?
I was asking what the junkie had.
Oh, the junkie motherfucker did? Nah, bro. He was like fucking with him, dude, and he like told him.
Yo, tell the fans, bro. Tell them.
Yo, bro, I was in the liquor store, bro, and this junkie motherfucker.
Where are we going back to right now?
In the Cleveland liquor store.
Yes, sir. Okay.
So
Now
listen. We were fucking. I was in there and shit, and it was right here. Look, point to it. It's right here. It's right here. Look, we're back here. Let's show. We're right here. So we're actually gonna keep the video going, guys. All right, we're gonna keep going. All right, we're keeping it going. So we're pulling up to the liquor store right now. This is Cleveland's, bro. But guess what? The junkie was in there and he told this motherfucker he was like doing something, and he looked up in the air. This motherfucker stole a whole champagne bottle. And he finessed, bro. But that's what we about to do. We gotta go finesse.
Yo, we getting the alcohol, man.
Right here.
They got the flavors.
They got the flavors.
Hey, can I get two of them drinks?
I'm out here with T. I see hungry.
You hungry? Gotta go outside. You gotta lick.
Yes, sir.
Yo, so we out here eating what? What we eating? What are they called?
Sabritones.
So we out here eating.
Sabritones con chile.
We eating
Y sabor al limón.
we eating sabrimotes. Sabritones. Sabritones. You see them right here, right? They're very good. Very good.
Chile.
Eating.
Con chile.
Should I tell them
We in traffic with it, Tom.
Should I tell them how it is?
How is it? Review?
Pretty limey.
Yeah, let me try one.
I'm gonna try one.
Okay. Our shit's good.
So you wanna we gotta be quiet. You gotta chill out, man. You love it. What are they called, bro? The Titinos. Oh, shit. Oh, bro, show me. Yeah, my man almost jumped down the whole damn shot of fucking some burritos. Yeah. Let me see him.
It's a good night tonight, guys, man.
Yo, we out here. My boy, like, I don't know. You look happy? I think you does.
Yeah.
But nah, yeah, wait, but listen. So what we doing, man? We gotta tell them what we about to do, like, in the next couple days. You know what I'm saying? What we about to do? We gotta give them content. What we about to do? You know what I'm saying? Where we going? Is it about to rain? How's Thursday?
Honestly, I haven't even really checked the weather.
Should we go on Thursday anyways?
Yeah.
And just send it?
Yeah. I'm thinking like UPS or something like that for the fans.
Yeah, we can do that. We got gas. So.
It's gonna be our first time at UPS. Like, well, not his, but
yeah, but we're gonna do some manjin for you. I'm gonna teach Matt. Matt already not kind of knows.
Man, I know how to do it. I just don't have the. I've never had the space.
But we can go in my car and get a vid. You know what I'm saying? And you know what I mean, like POV real quick, and I'll show you how to do it, and then we can do it in your car. And then you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I mean, I do know how to do it. I get the concept.
Yeah.
But like, there's just
so
practice.
Much space there too.
Yeah. There's space, and we can practice. I can get better. But like I said, like in the video yesterday, guys, it's about improving. You know, drifting and shit like that. Like it's about actually improving and getting better. So we doing. We gotta get my seat out there too. Tell him.
Sure.
You about to get out there, aren't
I'm
you?
about to start learning.
He's about to get out there.
Yeah, we gotta go. We gotta get him something, bro.
We'll get him.
Not like get him, but like he gotta get something. What
Yeah.
are you about to get though? Like what you want to get?
I'm finna save up for a Jeep right now.
A what?
A Jeep.
He wants a Jeep.
I want. All right, well listen.
I mean, we can
Well,
get
no,
you
we
a
can still-
bucket.
we can
get him a bucket.
Yeah, well, no. When we get the bucket, we can teach him.
Yeah.
Yo, guys, we forgot
Yeah,
to tell you that
because-
when you guys hit, if listen to this,
We're not gonna tell
we're not
you
gonna
what
tell
we're
you
getting
anything.
yet.
We're not getting, but well, nah, we should, but it's good, bro.
No, I'm saying we're not gonna,
We're gonna tell
them.
you. Can't tell him, Matt. We can't tell him.
We can't tell. All right, so what was? Yeah, he's stumbling a little bit. But what he's saying is we're not gonna tell you.
What, mumbling?
Yeah.
It's because of this motherfucker.
So.
This shit's fucking. This fucking shit, motherfucker. Yeah, I just. And we have dinner in Cleveland.
We're back. We're back.
Time.
We got my seat out here.
Ow, fuck! I just hit my leg, man.
We out here posted.
Fuck! It's in my leg, dude. I'm exhausted.
Shit.
Keep it. I'm not gonna move the kid.
Oh my god.
Yeah, like a stir.
$2.50. $1.25.
Really got one window open? I get,
Alright, you guys, so it's the next day. We're back out here. About to go get Drew. You can hear TJ pulling up right now. So, gonna hit the spot up again. There he is.
I hear we was in part 2.
Part 2, we back.
We got that. Cleveland, yeah. See what we getting. Oh, watch the exhaust.
Oh, that happened last night to TJ though.
Go fuck yourself.
We're back out here, man. It's almost over, man.
so we don't get the montage.
We ain't drifting. Yo, alright.
But, yep.
If it rains a little bit, show them the cloud. If we get a little bit of drizzle, we're gonna send it.
And if not, we're getting lit.
But if not, we're gonna go for you guys on Friday, hopefully, and just fuck shit up. So we'll see how it goes. If it rains Friday, we're going to the turnpike for like a couple hours, and we're gonna practice.
100%, yeah.
100%. I'm bringing the jack and shit just in case. I'll bring an extra tire in case one blows out in the back or two, maybe. Actually, I'll bring 2 just in case. If mine or Matt's blows out, but we'll be good. So we'll let you guys know how it goes.